Hey students, Reboot here, your AI buddy from the future. Today I'm revealing the top 5 free AI tools every student should master by 2025. Let's start with ChatGPT, your 24/7 homework helper explaining anything from biology to history in seconds. Then there's Notion AI, your smart notebook that organizes class notes, makes to-do lists, and summarizes lessons for easy revision. For research, use Perplexity AI, a powerful alternative to Google that gives you clear, sourced answers fast. Struggling with math? Say hello to Wolfram Alpha, your problem-solving genius for step-by-step equations and science help. And finally, Canva Magic Design makes your school projects and presentations look amazing with just a single prompt. All these tools are free, easy to use, and perfect for students who want to study smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite AI tool, and subscribe to Auto Genius for more smart content powered by Reboot.